Hey guys, what's up? It's G. Welcome back to the channel, PrintZebra. Today I'm going to show y'all how to sublimate hand towels. We're making some promo hand towels for our customers. We wanted to show y'all how to do it. Plus, I made sure that I showed y'all how to use the printer settings for my Epson SC F570. I'll leave a link in the description. Check it out if you're interested in that, so you could get your colors popping. But if you already got your colors popping, then this is part 2, and I'm going to show you how it goes down. So let's go. Okay, first thing you're going to need is all your supplies. You're going to need lint roller, you're going to need scissors, you're going to need heat transfer tape. These are the designs we're doing today. You're gonna need the product you're gonna press on. And today we're gonna be sublimating on these hand towels. Okay, and you're gonna need butcher paper. So now that you got all of your supplies, and of course you're gonna need a heat press, let's get our heat press warmed up. We're gonna set our heat press settings. It's 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 60 seconds. So we're gonna let it get warmed up. But while we letting it get warmed up, let's lint roll our garment. It's like a terry fabric towel, so it's gonna have lint on it. So you don't wanna go too crazy about that, but the stray lint is what you wanna get off. That's why you still lint roll it. What doesn't belong on there, you want that off. Take this step by step. I want to give you a very detailed way of how to sublimate and try to minimize some mistakes that you might be making just starting out, or even some people who have experience make mistakes all the time. It happens. It's no big deal, but try to minimize it, and that's how you save money. The reason why I want you guys to see this video is because it's detailed, so make sure you do every step. The pressure on your heat press has to be really firm when you're pressing garments. And sometimes you have to find out through trial and error. Sometimes you need to look at the manufacturer's instructions. They have very detailed instructions on pressure settings sometimes. And you know, I always try it first with hard pressure unless the manufacturer settings say not to. Okay, so that's firm. I got it set. It's perfect the way I want it. Now let's get our design in place so we can make sure it's on the towel where we want it to be. That's great. Okay, so my design is in place. Right now what I want to do is use some heat tape to tape it in place to make sure that this doesn't move, because now I know I got it where I want it, and we want to make sure it doesn't move. I already pre-cut some heat transfer tape strips, so we just need one right there and one at the bottom to hold it in place, because this is a big sheet of paper. So if it was a smaller sheet of paper, I would probably add a couple more, but since it's so big, it's not going to move that much, if at all. We're just doing this for extra caution. Also, you want to make sure these edges are down, because if you got it on firm pressure, you're going to have a lower platen, and it's going to be harder. The more stuff you put on top, the harder it's going to be able to get under there. And if you push it under there and it bunches up, you basically got to redo where you put your design. Just keep that in mind. Okay, let's see if our heat press is heated up. Yep, it's 395, so that's close enough. I will advise between 380 and 400. Time to press. 60 seconds. Okay. lift it up slowly, because when you lift it up fast, it creates a suction, and sometimes that could lift your design off of your garment, and you could get, or your product, and you could get ghosting when it goes back on there. Ghosting is like double printing. Like if the image picks up and moves and prints on there again, you'll see it like a double print. You don't want that. Now take your time and peel this off. Look at that. See that? So now we want to get another paper for our base and another paper to cover our design with. So now that we got that straight, let's put our other design on the other side. Again, we're gonna line up our design. We should be good with that. Let's get our tape. And in this case, I'm gonna hold the area that needs to be fixed and take that down. For this side, I'm going to use 2 pieces of tape up top only. Fold this down some to make sure that that doesn't cause any friction. And since we already up to temp, it's time to press it again. Okay, let's see what we got. Make sure you don't go too fast lifting it up. Okay, here's how it came out. Nice and bright. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hit that like button, get subbed up. Peace.